So I've chosen the theme Life on a Farm at a kindergarten level for my theme throughout this whole semester, and that's the title of the blog I created. So things to expect on my Life on the Farm blog. Anything that has to do with animals, really, like the types of animals that live on the farm, the life cycles of these animals, how to care for different animals, and you can tie that into also like how to care for yourself and there's lots of things that you can do along with that. We're also going to talk about the purpose of crops, how they nutrient not only the animals but also us. And so the Indiana Department of Education has standards, and there are kindergarten standards about life science. And some of these things that a kindergartner would need to be able to do would be to describe and compare the growth and development of common living plants and animals, also to do that with the physical features of common living plants and animals. Another thing they need to be able to do is use observations to describe patterns of what plants and animals need to survive. So, those are lots of different things that you can expect to be covered not only on my blog, but looking ahead into the website and other things we'll be doing this semester. So, I'm really excited to get started. Thanks.